The crypto market is gradually closing the gap to a $2 trillion valuation as sentiment improves across the board, mainly due to the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in January. With the last 2 years' day, $15,000. Mobilizers also 4,000. By the way, to take a second representative tempo, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a metric developed by Alternative Me to track emotional behavior, reveals that investors are getting greedy. With the metric now at 73, there are the glaring signs of the fear of missing out, which can be interpreted as a double-edged sword. On one hand, investors are extremely bullish on the market, bolstered by the ETF approval by the Securities and Exchange Commission, while on the other, people are likely to sell their holdings. Therefore, investors buying crypto in December should be cautious as the risk appetite increases, meaning the market is due for a correction. Some people are likely to buy the rumor and sell the news after the ETF has been approved in the U.S. Right? And rest Japan set to greenlight Bitcoin price, which will be longer to $50,000 to $50,000. So you may accept to greenlight Bitcoin price. The leading Oracle provider in the crypto industry, Chainlink price is trading at $17 following a significant breakout from support at 14.75, bolstered by the 200 exponential moving average, which was released on Road, and that's what's called 6.50. And then on the top of them, getting different than that, but now I've been identified for a space. So it's also a space side for that I was it in 19, the problem plus that before pulling back slightly. The moving average convergence indicator supports the bullish theory with a buy signal. However, short-term speculators may want to wait until the ongoing correction is over before they can enter new long positions. Losing the immediate support at $17 might prove detrimental to Link's technical structure, with losses likely to extend to test the 20 EMA at $16. However, with the spot ETF approval beckoning in less than 2 weeks, it might be advisable not to short Chainlink at the moment, as that might lead traders into a bear trap. The MINA protocol has been in price discovery mode from the time it lifted above the previous all-time high of $1.22. The token made history with a new record high at 1.4 on December 27, but due to profit taking, MINA had retreated to trade at 1.26 the time of writing on Thursday during U.S. hours. Now that the NACD indicator still dons a buy signal, traders may prefer to hold their positions open while targeting a rebound from support at $126. However, a retreating relative strength index from the overbought region suggests that sellers have the upper hand, at least for now. Therefore, if the decline continues below $1.26, it might be time to close the long positions and perhaps buy MINA at lower price points, such as $1.01 and $0.9. The internal token of the passenger service, Ego, is towering above the crypto market with gains exceeding 30% in 24 hours. Passenger is a platform that brings together content creators, brands, and fans who tap the best monetization tools while enhancing audience engagement. Despite the massive force backing the rally in Ego price, the token hit a barrier at 3 cents, represented by the red band on the chart. With the RSI regaining the ground above 50, a break above this resistance could blast off Ego towards $0.1, considering the resistance in the purple zone at 4 cents. If profiting, taking trim gains, and Ego losses the ground, two moving averages, the 20-day EMA and the 50 EMA will come in handy to absorb the selling pressure, thus increasing the chances of the uptrend resuming. A successful retest of the descending trend line could offer a buy the dip opportunity ahead of another breakout. Most top altcoins to buy December 27th, BNB, Matic, UNI. headed to wait for 60 cents. And this is a 60 century, and this is a 62 big site for 63 big dollars in the fall. And you can see that there are 50 Ethereum price exits correction trend with 6% jump is $2,600 within reach.